All right, guys, so here's an extended look at the rear camera on the Galaxy S9 at 60 FPS. I did one of these for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I thought the footage came out fantastic. So let's see how it does on the Galaxy S9. And with the Galaxy S9, you don't get the dual camera setup, so there's no telephoto lens, but I'm sure I'll check the zoom here in a minute to see how this is. Now, I think the colors, the extra punchiness and the vibrantness of the phone when it does this is actually pretty cool. In reality, though, now that I'm looking at this through the viewfinder and also looking directly at these bushes right here, they're definitely not that green, but it still looks good. So, I don't have a complaint about that too much. I think it's good to have it really kind of saturated, really punchy. It makes for a beautiful scene, but it's not very accurate. Like these bushes right here, they are not this green. They're not that green. That dark, I should say. They're green, but they're just not that dark. But again, it doesn't look bad. I actually like it. I like how it looks. So let me know what you think about the quality on the Galaxy S9, or excuse me, the Galaxy S9 with, I was going to say Plus, the Galaxy S9. No external microphone or anything. This is all the device. Everything is just all phone. I'm not even using any kind of tripod or anything. I'm just kind of scanning around. So let me zoom here. Now you do get 8x zoom. Look at that. Even though this is a single camera, watch out, Google Pixel. Look at that. That is great quality. The optical image stabilization on this thing is fantastic. I mean, this is a win. Loud trucks coming through here. But quick look at the Galaxy S9's rear camera in 4K. This will be a direct upload to YouTube. No editing or anything. Here's that sign for my home security. Looks really good. These cameras, man. You could run a YouTube channel with this phone. You really could. The footage is just that great. It's good. So it's your man Jay Will, extended look here with the Galaxy S9's camera. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.